Hi students, today our topic is electronic theory of valency. How the chemical bond was formed in between the atoms that can be explained by electron theory of valency. So this theory was introduced by Cossel and Lewis. Who introduced this theory? Cossel and Lewis, to explain the formation of chemical bonding on the basis of valency. To explain the formation of chemical bonding, nature of chemical bonding on the basis of valency. What is meant by the valency cell? So the electrons which are present in the last cell means outermost cell. For example, so the electronic configuration of sodium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. That 3s1 is the last cell. That cell is called as the valency cell. Okay, and here the valency means the combining capacity of an atom is also called as the valency. Combining capacity is called as the valency. Valency cell is the last cell. Okay, and next, so what are the postulations of this theory? First postulation, here are the postulations are there. First postulations are, so the electrons which are present in valency cell can participate in the chemical bonding. The electrons which are present in the valency cell only participating in the formation of chemical bond. For example, sodium atomic number 11, configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So how can it we can written as 281, like cell wise 281. So if sodium have to bond with another atom, they have to lose one electron. So which electron can be lost? The electron which is present in last cell only can be lost. Which electron is present in last cell? One electron is present in last cell. That one electron is called as the valency cell. So only that electron can be participating in the formation of chemical bonding. Okay, according to this theory, electrons which are present in valency cell only can participate in the formation of chemical bonding. Okay, so right, next, noble gases are inert gas elements. What are the noble gases or inert gas elements? So what is meant by the inert? Stable gases. What are those? Helium, neon, argon, xenon, radon, krypton. They are very stable. Why they are stable? Due to the configuration of NH2NP6 configuration. What is that? NH2NP6 configuration in its valency cell, except the helium. Noble gases elements are stable due to the configuration of NH2NP6. Okay, except helium. Why except helium? Helium atomic number is 2. Configuration 1s2. It is not having the NH2NP6 configuration. So here is the example of NH2NP6 configuration. Neon atomic number, what is the atomic number of neon? 10. So how can we write the configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Here valency cell is the 2. Okay, second orbit. So configuration is NH2 NP6, 2s2, 2p6, and that is the stable configuration. Okay, and remaining elements also tries to attain the NH2 NP6 configuration by the loss of electrons or gain of electrons. Remaining elements also tries to attain this NH2 NP6 configuration because that is the stable configuration. Hence remaining elements also tries to attain that configuration by the loss of electrons or gain of electrons or sharing of electrons. Okay, so example, sodium atomic number 11. So configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So it is having one electron in its valency cell. So and valency configuration 3s1. Other than 3s1, its configuration is 2s2, 2p6. So by losing the 3s1 electron, it will get the 2s2, 2p6 configuration. Hence Na plus is formed by the loss of one electron. Which electron can be lost? Last cell electron can be lost from the sodium. So here sodium loses the valency cell electrons. Then Na plus configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. This is the stable configuration because by losing the electron, it gets the NH2 NP6 configuration. Okay, next postulation, octet rule. So this theory also explain about the octet rule. What is the octet rule? A rule which states the presence of 8 electrons. Oct means 8. A rule which states the presence of 8 electrons in its valency shell of atom to get the stability is called octet rule. An atom should possess 8 electrons in its valency shell to get the stability. That rule is the octet rule. Okay. So remaining elements also tries to attain octet rule by the sharing of electrons or transfer of electrons. Sharing of electrons or transfer of electrons. So to get the octet rule, some of the atoms can transfer the electrons, some of the atoms can share the electrons. And next to, according, and Cosell and Lewis said that the bond which is found by the transfer of electrons is called as the ionic bond, and the bond which is found by the sharing of electrons is called as the covalent bond. Okay, the bond which is found by the transfer of electrons is ionic bond, and bond which is found by the sharing of electrons is called covalent bond. Okay, so this is the electronic theory of valency.